Hey, Gigi. Yep, she's not allowed in the house. Tell her, CB. It's okay, G. He's just trying to stop her from coming in. Good girl. Eric's not. Maybe Eric. Nope, he ain't gonna. So CB's just gonna gripe at her. Don't lick my phone. CB, you are too funny. Is he the only one that's not gonna permit sheep in the house? I don't think you're doing enough to scare her. All right.